Welcome to MobileHelp. Virtually all MobileHelp systems are capable of remotely triggering devices to get help by the use of included help buttons. You can choose from a neck pendant, a black, or a white wrist button to be included in your duo or solo system. All wearable help buttons are water resistant. The neck pendant is worn around the neck with an adjustable lanyard. You can adjust the length of the lanyard by grasping the two black fittings and pulling to tighten. You can loosen by grasping just below the fitting on the connection for the lanyard and gently pulling. To call for help, press the gray button in the center of the pendant. The wrist button is worn like a watch. Simply adjust so that it is comfortable around your wrist. To call for help, press the gray button. An optional fall button is also available. This button will automatically signal for help when it detects a fall. You can also call for help by pressing the blue button. If a fall is detected, the base station or mobile device will activate.
Fall detected. Press and hold button to cancel.
You will have 20 seconds to cancel the alarm. Deactivate by holding down the button for 5 seconds. Otherwise, the signal will be sent to a MobileHelp operator to assess your situation and dispatch the appropriate help to you. The help buttons work with the base station or mobile device and have a range of about up to 600 feet from the base station and 350 feet from the mobile device, depending on the size and construction of your home. You cannot communicate with the MobileHelp operator through any of the help buttons. This is done either through the base station or mobile device. If you are too far away from these units to be heard, emergency responders, as well as your personal contacts, will still be notified. If you accidentally press the button,
Call connected. Please stand by for an operator.
go to the base station or mobile device and tell the emergency operator this is a false alarm. The operator will disconnect and no further action will be taken. One of the help buttons should be worn at all times, including in the bath or shower, to ensure that help is always within reach.